you press the button. You get free food for life, but you lose all of your teeth. I mean, Tooth Fairy's gotta give us all that money, so that's like 20 teeth. Never mind. You think this is worth it? Yeah, you get free food for life, but you lose all your teeth. What is the free food? Is it like soup kitchen? Because I'm not just gonna eat from a soup kitchen for like the rest of my life. Yeah, so it's like, hi there. And I have to record a YouTube video like, hi there, I'm Logan. Okay. It appears to be we're running out of time. Well, that's it for my daily YouTube short. Bye.